Everyone, in today's video, we will be checking out the Boyata Adjustable Laptop Stand. It is an ergonomic laptop stand which is able to help make your laptop usage experience more enjoyable and comfortable for you to use. It has many features that would allow me to use my laptop more comfortably and at the right posture I desire. The product packaging looks good, professional and presentable, a good option for me to gift my friends and family during special occasions. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the product packaging. Inside the box, users will find one purchase card from Boyata, and the Boyata laptop stand itself, fitted nicely inside a plastic protective wrapping. It's all packed nicely into the retail packaging. On first impressions, the Boyata laptop stand looks really solid in design, with its material being made from aluminum alloy metal, which is strong and durable. The material is coated with a nice and shiny metallic finishing which makes it look elegant and sleek. The workmanship is fine, the edges and texture of the metal is smooth and nicely crafted with no uneven edges or coating. The laptop stand has silicone pads on the stand to prevent laptops from sliding around when it is in use, allowing users to work on their laptops in peace without worrying about it sliding. The base of the stand also has anti-slip base, so as to allow the stand to stay in place without moving around when users are working on their laptop. Good design. The hooks at the bottom of the laptop stand are covered with silicone protective layering, so it doesn't scratch or scrape laptops that are resting on the hook during use. The hooks are designed to prevent the laptop from falling off the laptop stand during use. The laptop stand has a ventilated design to it. It is easy to set up the laptop stand. Just hold it with both hands and open the stand up. The hinges on the laptop stand will open up and users can start to adjust the height and angle of the stand to their ideal angle for their laptops. The adjustable design allows me to manually adjust the stand's angle to an angle I am comfortable with, straightforward and easy to set up. It has a high load bearing capacity of tops resting on it. It is able to hold its load, with the strong alloy hinges which holds its load securely in place. Awesome! When it is in use, as you see here, my laptop is rested on the laptop stand nicely. It is adjusted to a height and angle I am comfortable with. From the side, it looks really stylish, classy and ergonomic in design. It fits my 13-inch laptop nicely. It has a large bearing area. With a larger bearing area, it allows for a more stable usage. In this demo, I am typing on my laptop. It does not shake excessively or vibrate when I type. It feels sturdy and not shaky even when typing. The laptop stand stays in place and with the hinges distributing force evenly to prevent the laptop from vibrating too much when typing. Good design feature and thoughts from the people who manufactured this product. Here, we will compare how a user benefits when using the stand versus without it. With the stand, as you see, the user here is working on his laptop. His posture is upright and straight, and not straining his back. As compared to regular use without the laptop stand, the user's back is hunched towards the screen as it's not at eye level. Thus, the difference is clearer with the Boyata laptop stand. It is also more organized to use it as a setup. If I have an additional keyboard for typing, I can tug it nicely between the base and the laptop stand. It fits nicely in place just like you see over here, making my setup more neat and tidy. If I want to keep the laptop stand after use, it is easy to do so. Just fold it up for easy storage. The foldable design allows for compact storage. Great!